Well, today was the opening day of the Woodburn Dragstrip. My neighbor had called me and told me he was going over the drags, so I thought I'd go over there and cheer him on. So I decided to drive my 1968 Mustang with a 6-cylinder and a 3-speed. And out through the countryside of the Marion County, crossed over the Willamette River, and out through St. Paul and that area. On the way, I'd spotted a garage sale or an estate sale and went down there to take a look. Well, when I got down there, it was pretty well picked over and wasn't much of anything. But the drive in the countryside was just awesome. Pulled into the Woodburn Dragstrip, and there was a pretty good crowd of cars there for opening day and rain pending in the background there. So I thought it was a pretty good turnout. There were some really awesome cars there, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Well, this really awesome advanced design pickup ended up in the final round. He was racing against his dad. The fellow in this pickup here won the race. And this little Vega here was a fresh build. I'm not sure where he's from, but I believe in the Portland area. Wilson cylinder heads. Had a LS motor in it with a carburetor on it. Really was a nice car. Had some things to sort out. And this 1966 Chevrolet Impala with a 427 really looked nice in the green color with those Weld Racing wheels. And the modern muscle class, well, that was a lot of Mopars. The blue one on the right there, the Charger, old police car, was my neighbor's. And he was there, and he won the first round. I really liked this Tahoe that was pulling the trailer there. 22-inch Cadillac Escalade wheels on it, and the bright blue color. The thing was just in excellent condition and very well kept. Looked really awesome. Could be duplicated for not a lot of money. This 1974 Chevrolet C20 Custom Deluxe was doing some work, pulling the trailer and looking good. Well, my neighbor, he lost in the second round. Maybe next time. Couple of Volkswagens in the Volkswagen class. The car count was pretty low for the day, but first race of the year, and the weather wasn't the best. The one thing that was very good was the bacon cheeseburger at the diner. Well, I've had the Mustang for a few months now, and after installing a new fuel tank, a set of spark plugs, and cleaning it up and whatnot, I've driven it several hundred miles. And I haven't had any issues or problems, which is kind of surprising because the spark plugs that I had taken out of the car really didn't look very good at all. In fact, one of them was oil fouled pretty bad. But so far, I haven't had any issues. It's not smoking. It hasn't fouled a plug. Hadn't led me to believe that it's going to foul a plug, but it may. It did have a long block put in it at one time, but I'm not sure how good the quality of it was. I haven't had any issues with the fuel system since I cleaned it out and installed the new tank. The 3-speed manual transmission works pretty nice in the car. It's a lot of fun to drive, and it's economical to drive. The one thing about the Mustang, it's a heck of a lot cheaper than a Camaro. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time at Rusty Duck Garage.